Hi, my name is Peyton, Product Manager at Cloud IBR. Today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the Cloud IBR portal, show you how to kick off a recovery, show you how to set up automated recovery tests, and show you how simple it is to onboard with Cloud IBR. So I'm going to go ahead and jump down to the Recoveries tab here. So these are all the recoveries I've ever ran with Cloud IBR. I have automation in place to kick off a test at Monday at around 2 a.m. Once that test is complete, I receive a PDF report to my email. So I'm going to go ahead and click into one of the recoveries here. So this is what the PDF report is going to look like once you receive it in an email. It's going to show you the success, skipped, and failed servers, the duration of the test, and then all of the servers that were recovered. It's going to give you the recovery credentials for the VPN accounts and the bare metal cloud servers. And it's going to show any skipped servers down here. It's super simple to kick off a recovery test. You're going to go to the Recoveries tab, Start New Recovery, and then select the type of recovery you would like, which is auto shutdown, manual shutdown, or disaster recovery. You're going to scroll to the bottom here and kick off the recovery by clicking the Initiate Recovery. And then the onboarding takes about 27 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through that a bit. So you're going to go to the Backup Repositories tab. Click Add Backup Provider, select your provider, and then follow the on-screen directions to go ahead and populate that bucket below. The bare metal cloud, we currently use PhoenixNAP for our bare metal cloud, so it's going to create the PhoenixNAP account for you whenever you sign up with Cloud IBR. Then the customer is going to go ahead and put in their storage requirement, so how much storage they would need for their recovery environment, and then also the desired amount of memory they would need. The next section is Veeam encryption keys. You're going to go in here and click Add Veeam encryption key, fill out this information, and it even shows you where to pull it in the portal here in the screenshot. The network information tab. So at the time of recovery, we're going to provision a virtual Linux firewall for you. So you're going to go ahead and put in those production gateways and port mappings that are already on your production firewall. And then we'll have that set up for you at the time of recovery. The VPN, so we have IPsec tunnels and VPN users. We also have VPN DNS as well, so you can go ahead and set that up. The IPsec tunnel is included with the Gold and Platinum subscription, and every subscription has access to the VPN users. The BMC Remote Access tab, this is going to be for any technical role that would need access to the bare metal cloud, so you're going to go ahead and put in their WAN IP addresses. And then the last little tab up here is the Preferences tab. This is where you're going to set up your automated recovery schedule. So you can set it up for daily, weekly, or monthly. And then you can set the exact time and then save. And then down here is the recovery location of the bare metal cloud. PhoenixNAP, we currently have Ashburn, Virginia, and Phoenix, Arizona. And if you leave it as dynamic, it's going to choose the location that has more resources at the time of recovery. And that's really about it for the Cloud IBR portal. It's a super simple onboarding. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.